Yes, two new crew will be coming, one AB and one electrical officer. So their cabins, safety familiarization will be taken care of by the third officer. So just prepare the cabins. Which cabins you are?
One is Lorry Master cabin, one is my cabin near the OS seated.
So leave owners and pilots cabin blank.
Yeah, leave you.
Apart from that, we can allow. I will require the picture of sounding tape.
Oh, yeah.
If you don't have any, I have to order that by agent Chandler. So I have to send the photograph of that sounding tape. Just take a photograph, give it to third officer. He will transfer it.
Before I take one already, is damaged. The sound is
Take already
already photo.
No, not the damage. I require the whole sounding tape photo so that they can order it.
Yeah.
How it looks like. These people don't know what is sounding tape, so they need a photograph. So just give 3-4 good photographs. What is the status of this compass? No problem.
Yeah, we will check today.
Take your time.
Yeah, now also when you go both side, you show me the super drum white color. We only remove the oil. Now around
It's oil?
Yeah, oil. Do oil. And then this one is around 20 liter 2 packet. And then we transfer in the room.
Yes. You cannot. I will just inform. I will inform secretary.
Yes.
Deck padlocks.
Padlock is we check from here. But in our store is no have the spare.
But we have it here. We don't
Yeah.
need spare.
Yeah.
We have padlocks here.
Yeah, we can check from
It's just the doors should be long.
Yeah.
And all accommodation doors inside should be. Should
Yeah.
be
Only T-Tech. One is two is
according to me, in the morning we will continue the pipeline cleaning part, algae cleaning, morning. And afternoon time when it is too much heat outside, that time we take up these jobs. So that also little bit gets completed. And securing part, DCP room yesterday you guys showed me there is some.
Yes. So maybe
big reduce
some of
the
the outside maybe wood is better. Wood or pallet.
Yeah, wood pallet of course.
One pallet is one pallet is free.
Yes. So any metal part on deck there should always be pallet fenders. I don't know when it's gonna come.
Just take inform us. Maybe find out who coming. Now they can transfer to here to near the manifold.
4 fenders.
4 fender.
How will we come?
So use it to bishop race where we can put. We gonna just decide.
Midship area.
Yeah.
Just have a look in the midship area also.
Yeah.
That if we want to keep it in the midship area, which is the best place to secure it, not obstructing anything, walkway.
We can secure between the tank because we can transfer
Just have a look.
midship tank between 2 and 3 somewhere because we can transfer here also here. Otherwise, if going to put that, then again we have to.
Yeah, we will see. We can look at it.
So just have a look where they can transfer it. Third officer will be continuing his RR paint on the light boats. How much red paint we have?
Sorry?
Red color.
Red?
Red for LSF.
I will check. I will check, sir.
Just check it and let me know.
Yeah.
If we have 2 drums, then 1 drum we can spare. We might start tomorrow day after. We'll see. Basis how much paint we have. Securing the ovens are there. Gym room is very critical. We can take that job in the afternoon. Or maybe after 10:30.
Morning guys, as you can see in the video, we have discussed about the toolbox talk which is conducted usually by head of department to all the crew members before starting their daily routine jobs. Now toolbox talks acts as an informal risk assessment, and it's very important that you conduct this before starting any job. As you can see in the video, the crew is also giving their feedback, so that is called reverse toolbox talk. And that is to confirm their understanding that whatever HOD is saying, whether they understand that or not. And you should consider 5 things before you start any job or daily routine tasks. The first, whether it is planned or not, and it is there in the daily work planner, because unplanned jobs will have more risk and we'll have to put more barriers in that. The second, whether the job has any checklist which acts as a purely operational barrier. The third is the risk assessment, which is purely a safety barrier. The fourth one is the toolbox talk, which we showed up in the video. And the fifth one is the PPE. Now, personal protective equipment is the last line of defense. So you have to consider all these things before you plan and before you carry out any tasks on board on ship. Thank you.